Your customer called, your agent didn't answer, and Zendesk never told you it happened. That's not a bug, it's a feature gap, and it's costing you customers every single day. In the next 60 seconds, we'll show you exactly how to fix it. Here's the surprising truth. Zendesk Talk sends notifications for voicemails, but stays completely silent when a call is simply missed. No email, no ping, no alert. The call creates a ticket, but unless someone's watching the queue, it disappears into the noise. Missed calls aren't just a nuisance. They're a threat to your SLAs, your customer satisfaction scores, and your team's capacity planning. A customer whose call goes unanswered feels ignored, and patterns of missed calls reveal deeper problems like scheduling gaps or training needs. Your first option is the built-in Talk dashboard. It gives you a real-time view of queue activity, agent status, and missed call counts for the day. The catch? You have to be looking at it. There's no push notification to bring you there. The most robust native option is building a missed calls report in Zendesk Explore. Add the missed call legs and declined call legs metrics, filter by completion status, then schedule it to email your team hourly or daily. It's not real time, but nothing slips through the cracks. Here's a clever native workaround using Zendesk triggers. When a talk ticket is created, auto-tag it as missed call follow-up. Then create a dedicated view showing unhandled tag tickets. It's not a push notification, but it keeps missed calls visible and actionable. For true real-time alerts, Geckoboard bridges the gap. Connect it to Zendesk, set a threshold, say, more than 0 missed calls in 15 minutes, and get an instant notification pushed to your Microsoft Teams or Slack channel. Alerts go where your team already works. 5 quick wins to cut missed calls. Always set agents offline when they step away. Decline calls immediately, instead of waiting for timeout. Dial in your wrap-up time to avoid availability gaps, exclude missed call tickets from CSAT surveys, and watch for patterns. 5 missed calls from one agent signals a problem worth investigating. Eesel AI takes this further by acting as an intelligent layer on top of Zendesk. Instead of just counting missed calls, it understands context, customer tier, time of day, agent availability, and sends smart alerts with recommended actions. It can even auto-draft follow-up emails to customers whose calls were missed. Small team of 1 to 5 agents. The Talk dashboard plus scheduled Explore reports is all you need. Growing team of 5 to 20? Geckoboard's real-time Teams alerts are worth the investment. Enterprise with 20 plus agents? You need AI-powered monitoring like eesel AI. Missed calls at scale are customer experience risks, not just metrics. You now have every tool you need to make sure no customer call goes unnoticed again. Start with a free Explore report today, and when you're ready to go beyond notifications to intelligent call management, try eesel AI free, no credit card required.